Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make margaritas at home with mix. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need tequila, your preferred margarita mix, and plenty of ice. For the best taste, choose a good quality tequila, like a Blanco or Reposado. The pre-made mix makes this process incredibly easy, ensuring a consistent and delicious drink every time. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic homemade margarita. Now let's mix up your perfect margarita. The general rule is 2 parts margarita mixed to 1 part tequila. Pour these into a cocktail shaker. Don't forget to add a generous amount of ice. This is crucial for chilling your drink properly. Shake everything vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. You want it to be thoroughly chilled, ensuring a crisp and refreshing taste with every sip. It's time to prepare your glass and serve your delicious creation. If you like, rim your glass with salt or sugar. Simply moisten the rim with a lime wedge and dip it. Next, strain your perfectly chilled margarita into your prepared glass over fresh ice. A fresh lime wedge or wheel makes the perfect garnish, adding a touch of citrus aroma and a classic look. Enjoy your homemade margarita. Here are a few extra tips for the best homemade margaritas. Always use fresh ice, both for shaking and for serving, to avoid diluting your drink too quickly. Don't be afraid to experiment with different margarita mixes. There are many varieties, so find the one you love most. You can also adjust the tequila ratio slightly to suit your preference. And for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Cheers to your perfect margarita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.